Hello friends, I am Carly. In this video, I will show different methods to convert HEIC high-efficiency photos to JPG format on iPhones and fix iPhone photos won't open on Mac or PC. So, let's get started. Please note that iOS 11 and later versions of iPhones have default high-efficiency image container format. Let's see an example. Open the camera on your iPhone and click the image. Then, open the Photos app and check the details of the recent picture you captured. You can see here the image format is HEIC by default. Method 1. Use Files app. This method helps you convert using high efficiency to JPEG format. Let's follow the steps performed on a video screen. Open the Photos app and choose the image you want to convert. Then, tap the Share button and select Copy Photo. After that, launch the Files app on your iPhone. If you don't have it installed, download it from the App Store. Go to the Browse section and select On My iPhone under Locations. Tap on 3 dots and select New Folder. You can rename the folder. Now long press the blank space and select the Paste option. After that, check the image format. As you can see here, the photo has been automatically converted to JPEG format. You can repeat the same steps to convert multiple photos. That's it. If you want to save all photos as JPG instead of high efficiency, follow the second method. Use Settings app. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Swipe up and tap on Camera. Tap on the Format section and select Most Compatible instead of HEIC. This setting allows your iPhone to use the JPEG format. So, all new photos will be saved in JPEG format. To verify, click Image and go to Photos app. Then, check the image details to see that it is now saved in JPEG format. That's it. Here's another way to automatically convert your photos. Method 3. Use Shortcuts app. Please make sure you have the Shortcuts app installed on your iPhone. If not, download it from the App Store. In my case, the Shortcuts app is available. So, let's see the steps. Launch the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Tap on the plus icon in the upper right corner. Then, type Select Photos. Here, tap on the arrow next to it and then turn on the toggle next to select multiple. After that, search for Convert Image and select it. Then search Save to Album and select it. At last, tap on the Done button in the upper right corner. You can add this shortcut to the iPhone home screen. To do so, tap on 3 horizontal dots and the down arrow next to the shortcut name. Select Add to Home Screen. You can customize the shortcut name and color by tapping the Add button at the top right corner. That's it. Now, you can convert high-efficiency HEIC photos to JPEG whenever you want. Tap on the shortcut and select Pictures. The images will be converted and saved to the Photos app as JPEG. Method 4. Use the Mac Preview app. On your Mac computer, find the image, right-click, and select Open with Preview. Click on the File menu at the top and choose Export. Then, click on the drop-down menu and select JPEG format. Here, you can rename the new JPEG image and select the file location to save it. Then, click on the Save button. Now, open and check the details of your image. It's converted successfully. That's it. Method 5. Automatic Convert Photos to JPG. You can automatically convert your photos to JPG while transferring them to your Mac or PC. Let's see the steps. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Swipe up and find the App section. Tap on it, swipe up, and find the Photos app. Swipe up and go to the Transfer to Mac or PC section. Select the Automatic option to set transfer mode. Your iPhone will now always transfer JPEG format images to your Mac or PC. Alternatively, you can share the HEIC image via mail, which will convert your photo to JPG format. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for the latest tips and tricks videos.